Students, now we will solve exercise 4. You have learned division by shortcut method, also division by 10, 100 and 1000. So we have to follow same steps and solve those examples. Okay? So see first question. Find the quotient and remainder without actual division. Sister, what is the question? Find the quotient and remainder without actual division. Without actual division means you have to use steps. You have learned dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay? So we will see it. Look here. 2876 divided by 10. 2876 divided by 10. So you have learned when you divide any number by 10, then remove one's digit. Here one's digit is 6. Remove one's digit, then you get quotient. Quotient obtained by removing one's digit. So from this 2876, one's digit 6 we remove. Remaining 287, that is a quotient. So here quotient is 287. Okay, 2876 is dividend, 10 is divisor, and how we get quotient? The quotient obtained by removing one's digit. Okay, so here from 2876, 6 we remove and remaining 287 is a quotient, and the remove one's digit is a remainder. So 6 is a remainder. In this way, without actual division, we get quotient and remainder. Quotient is 287 and remainder is 6. Okay. Next example, see 1728 divided by 10. Here 1728 is dividend. Here also quotient obtained by removing one's digit. One's digit is 8. So we get quotient 172. Look here. Okay, by removing one's digit, and the remove one's digit is remainder. So remainder is 8. Look here, student. We divide 1728 by 10. Remove one's digit is 8, remaining 172 is a quotient, and remainder 8, which is remove one's digit. Okay, in this way, without actual division, we find quotient and remainder. Next example, see 5682 divided by 100. So you have learned when you divide any number by 100. Okay. So the quotient is obtained by removing tens and ones digit. So in this example, 5682 is a dividend. And how we get quotient? By removing tens and ones digit. So here tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 2. So by removing tens and ones digit, we get a quotient. So we get quotient here 56. And the number obtained by remove tens and ones. By tens and ones digit, which number we got? 82. That is remainder. Okay. So in this way, without actual division, we get quotient and remainder. Quotient we get 56 and remainder we get 82. Okay. Next example, see 6281 divided by 100. Here also dividend is 6281. Okay. Now how we get quotient? Quotient obtained by removing tens and ones digit. Okay. So here tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 1. So by removing tens and ones digit, we get a quotient. So quotient is 62. And the number formed by remove tens and ones digit, get its remainder. So tens and ones digit 8 and 1, so we get number 81. So 81 is remainder. In this way, by dividing 6281 by 100, we get quotient 62 and remainder 81 without actual division. Okay, next example is 8134 divided by 1000. Okay, so you have learned when we divide any number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing 100 tens and ones digit, and the number formed by remove 100 tens and ones digit is its remainder. Okay, now here 8134 is a dividend. The quotient is obtained by removing 100 tens and ones digit. Here ones digit is 4, tens digit is 3 and 100 digit is 1. So by removing 100 tens and ones digit, we get its quotient. So we get quotient 8. Okay, and the number formed by remove 100 tens and ones digit, we get number 134. So 134 is a remainder. In this way, here we divide 8134 by 1000, we get quotient 8 and remainder 134 without actual division. Next example, see 1562 divided by 1000. So here 1562 is a dividend. Now quotient is obtained by remove 100 tens and ones digit. 100 digit is 5, tens digit is 6 and ones digit is 2. So by removing this digit, remaining number 1, so 1 is a quotient. And the number formed by remove 100 tens and ones digit, we get 562. So 562 is a remainder. In this way, by dividing 1562, we get quotient 1 and remainder 562. So understood how to find quotient and remainder without actual division. Okay. Next question is divide the following using shortcut method. So I have taught you how to divide by shortcut method. When you are going to divide any number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 or 90. So I have taught which steps you have to follow. Same steps we will follow here and solve given example. So look here. Example first. 4367 divided by 40. So what is our first step? Remove ones digit from dividend and divisor. So from that, which is dividend? 4367 is a dividend. And which is divisor? 40 is a divisor. So remove ones digit from dividend and divisor. So here ones digit is 7 and ones digit is 0. So remove. We get new dividend 436 and new divisor 4. Okay, now we will divide. Now first we divide 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4. So quotient 1. 4 minus 4 0. Next digit is 3. 3 is less than 4. So quotient will be 0. 3 minus 0 3. Next is 6. 36. 4 nines are 36. So quotient will be 9. So here we get answer 109. 109 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Okay, here first step we remove ones digit from dividend and divisor. We get new dividend 436 and new divisor 4. Then we divide 436 by 4. We get quotient 109 and remainder 0. But actual quotient and actual remainder is, so when we divide 4367 and 40. So we get quotient 109 and actual remainder this is 0. Okay, but here remove one's digit from dividend is 7. So you write here 0 and 7. So you get here remainder 7. Okay, you write 7 before your remainder number. Okay, so by shortcut method we divide 4367 by 40. We get quotient 109 and remainder 7. Okay, second example 8432 divided by 7. So you have learned by shortcut method we have to remove one's digit from dividend and divisor. So here 8432 is dividend and 70 is divisor. So we remove one's digit from dividend, we get 843. So 843 is our new dividend. And from 70 is divisor. We remove one's digit 0, we get new divisor 7. In this way, by removing one's digit from dividend and from divisor, we get new dividend 843 and new divisor we get 7. Okay, now we divide 843 by 7. First we divide to 8. Now 8 is not multiple of 7. So less than it is 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Next digit 4. 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 14 minus 14, 0. Next digit 3. 3 is less than 7. So quotient will be 0. So here write 0. 3 minus 0, 3. So here by dividing 843 by 7 we get answer 120. 120 is quotient and we get remainder 3. Okay. But here we have to divide 8432 by 7. Okay. So here by dividing this division we get quotient 120. So our actual quotient is 120. But while writing remainder, you write this remainder 3 and removing digit, one's digit from dividend is 2. So write here in front of 3. So you get remainder here 32. So when we divide 8432 by 70, we get quotient 120 and we get remainder 32. Okay, next example 1279 divided by 50. So here dividend is 1279 and divisor is 50. So you have learned when you have to divide any number by shortcut method, you have to follow some steps. Step first is remove one's digit from dividend and divisor. So one's digit of dividend is 9. So by removing one's digit from dividend, we get new dividend 127 and divisor is 50. So one's digit is 0. By removing one's digit from divisor, we get new divisor is 5. Okay. Listen, here we remove one's digit from dividend and divisor, we get new dividend 127 and 5. Now we will divide. Okay. Now we will write here 5 step 1. Now here we will choose first 2 digit 12. 12 is not multiple of 5. So less than 12, 10. 5 2s are 10. Quotient will be 2. 5 2s are 10. Next digit is 7. We take it down. 27. 27 is also not multiple of 5. So less than 27, 25. 25 is fifth multiple of 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. In this way, by dividing 127 by 5, we get answer 25. 25 is quotient. And leftover number is 2, so 2 is remainder. Okay. So here, actual quotient and actual remainder. Here we get quotient and remainder by new dividend and divisor. Okay. But we want to find quotient and remainder of 1279 dividing 50. So actual quotient is, what will be the 25. A remainder we get required remainder. We get, write this remainder 2 and write which digit we remove from dividend 9. So write in front of it. Okay. So we get quotient 25 and remainder 29 by shortcut method by dividing 1279 by 50. Next example, 6001 divided by 30. Okay, so in this example also dividend is 6001 and 30 is divisor. So we remove one's digit from dividend and divisor. We remove one's digit from dividend. So here one's digit is 1. By removing one's digit from dividend, we get new dividend 600. And by removing one's digit from divisor 0, we get divisor 3. Now here we get new dividend 600 and new divisor 2. Now we will divide it. 600 by 3. So we know that 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 quotient. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Next 0. Quotient will be 0. Next number 0. Quotient will be 0. In this way, by dividing 600 by 3, we get answer 200. So 200 is quotient. And we get remainder 0. Okay. But required quotient. So this quotient and remainder we got after dividing 600 by 3. But we want quotient and remainder of this division. Okay. So required quotient is 200 and required remainder, here remainder is 0 and remove digit from dividend is 1. So required remainder is 1. In this way, by dividing 6001 by 30, we get quotient 200 and we get remainder 1. How to get? Understood? Here remainder write 0 and remove digit from dividend we write, we get its remainder. So this is the required quotient and this is the required remainder. Okay, so we get this quotient and remainder by division of shortcut method. Last example is 7878 divided by 60. So here dividend is 7878 and divisor is 60. So first step is remove one's digit from dividend. So here one's digit is 8. By removing one's digit, new dividend we got 787. And by removing one's digit from divisor, we get new divisor is 6. Okay, we get new dividend 787 and new divisor 6. By removing one's digit from dividend and divisor. Okay, now we divide 787 by 6. Now first we write 6 table. Now we will divide leftmost digit 7, so we divide 7 by 6. 6 7 is not multiple of 6. ones are 6. So quotient will be 1. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Next digit is 8. We take it down. 18. 18 is a multiple of 6. 6 3s are 18. Quotient will be 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. Next digit is 7. Okay. 7 is less than 7 is 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. In this way, by dividing 787 by 6, we get answer 131. So 131 is a quotient. And we get remainder 1. Okay. So here we divide new dividend by new divisor. We get quotient 131 and we get remainder 1. But required quotient of this division is 131. And remainder, so write this 1 and remove one's digit from dividend is 8. So write in front of me. So required remainder is 18. Required quotient is 131. In this way, in this question number 2, we divide the given example by shortcut method and we find quotient and remainder by following steps.